67 to the power 99 by 7. What will be remainder? The remainder of 67 to the power 99 by 7. Now you can write 63 plus 4 to the power 99. 63 is divisible by 7 for any power, so our remainder will depends on power of 4. So we can write it 4 to the power 99 by 7. We have to break power in 4n plus x, that format, and now we can write 99 break in 96 plus 3, this format. So we can write 96 plus 3 by 7. 4 to the power 96 into 4 to the power 3 by 7. Now 4 to the power 96 is divisible by 7, so we can write 4 to the power 3 by 7. 4 to the power 7, that's mean 4 into 4 into 4 equal 64. 64 by 7. 63 plus 1 by 7. 63 is divisible by 7, so we can write it r equal 1. That is the required remainder.